Yeah, I had to restart it. It stopped on me, so yeah. Geronimo Street right there. It's green for me to go. She got this car turning and stuff. Hey, my video phone, no. Driving with the video phone, baby. Bring the phone to your face. Oh, look. Video phone jogging. Genius idea. Oh, look ahead of us. Can you see what I see? A hill that you're gonna have to jog up. Gonna have to keep moving the whole way through. Yeah. So there's a stoplight right here. It says green to go, but I don't see any white guy walking across the street. So I'm gonna wait for this one and then go up the hill, pressing the button and then looking around to see. This street is called Via Fabricante. It's Via Fabricante. Pretty nice place right there. Via Fabricante. That is where I am. All the beautiful women in the world who see this video, come to me and say hello and jog with me. So, see that white dude? That white dude made a light. It's indicating as you cross the street. Yeah. Take advantage of that. Cross that street. Run up that hill. Get all the way up that hill. Hell, that hill don't know nothing about you. Climb the hills too. Yeah. Switch hands on. Right hand getting tired of holding the phone. Switch hands to the left hand. Keep it moving. It's all the way. Panoramic view. What we got? Got the railroad tracks. Gotta go over them. Got to go over the railroad track. Get up on it. Get up on it. It's been a light job today. Got the concrete job. So a lot of cars out there on this hell day. It might start raining a bit. It is a little misty already. You gotta make this quick. Feel me? Can't be holding up. Do this. Do that. Keep going. Keep going. You gotta be going. Yes. Do it like you love. Do it like you mean it. Do it like you want it. Do it like you own it. Go ahead and own it. Don't stop till you're gone. We're going downhill, baby. and it's wet outside. But you know I got that grip. You know I don't sit. I just sit down, slip out, move around, baby girl. On that tip, bang, bang. Back on the chain gang. Yeah, no chain gang. Stay free. On me. On me. That's right. Let's get it. Okay, good. See, that's it. Looking so right. Got to go run the show. Got to make it mine. Yeah, man, the girl. You on my team. We gon' make it happen like we did in that dream. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, no. Oh, yeah, no. Say, pick up your boots. Get on the move. Don't get loose, get tight. Make it happen. Do it right. Don't give up that fight. Oh, yeah. You got it now. Get it. Go. Be good. That's what you do. God's good, too. Yeah. Go ahead. Be good. Yeah. And press the best. Be the best. Stand the test. Give us the fight. Don't put it down. What you talking about? Who's around? Yeah, Charlie Brown. Go ahead, get it. Heard what you said. Charlie Brown. Go ahead, get it. With your head. Baby girl said she wanna rock all night long. Yeah, baby girl, you ain't never been wrong. Fuck me. Yeah, we're gonna go all night. To the next day. On the flight. In the limo. At the hotel. Fucking like we don't give a damn girl. Yeah, we don't give a damn. Yeah, we don't give a damn. Oh yeah. Oh, it's raining. Oh, it's raining now. It's raining. It's raining now. It's raining, yeah. It's raining now. Oh, yeah. Let's get it. Go! Oh, yeah! Fuck with the boy! Come on the best! Just rest! Look at me! With the trap, bitch! Yeah, with the trap! Say, with the trap! Say, with the trap! Don't give up! Keep up the fight! Don't let it do it! Doing it right! Doing it right! Yeah. Stop. Faster than light. Smoke out the pipe. Don't choke your wife. Be nice to your bitch. Give me a little $1. About $100. Yeah. As you can see, I have stopped running. The red light on these parts of the bus. Ooh, that wouldn't be a bad idea, huh? Taking that bus right on there. What I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna keep moving. Because I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do next. But a little delirious. My vision is delirious. It's been raining. It ain't say rain on me. It's rain there in the rain. Make it take you some to the pain. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Out of sight. Yeah. How you feel? All the feelings with me. Pay attention. Play on the scene. Do it like you know what you're doing. Say what you mean. Mean what you say. Don't hold back, baby. You gotta go all the way. Push through to the other side. Push your ass through to the other side of the motherfucking universe. Let them know what it is. They don't know what the fuck going on, but you do. Get it cracking, keep it cracking like pop it, penetrate, never hate, opposite faith. What's up? How you doing? You play on the scene. See him? Look at me with the guitar. Yeah. Play with a guitar. Go real far.